Hi everyone, Ozzy here. In this video, we're going to explore the element of art, line. Line is a moving point in space or a mark on the page. There are many different types of lines. We will start with the dotted line here. It could be an implied line. You can go any direction, make a right angle. Then you can stretch the dot and turn it into dashes and create a broken line. Also, you can go in any direction with that. Now, an up and down line is a vertical line. You can do thick ones and thin ones. A vertical line shows strength or implies strength and stability, like trees or maybe poles. A side-to-side line is a horizontal line. You can overlap some, stagger them. Now, an angled line is a diagonal. The slanted lines show action. This could be a leaf or a feather. Here we'll have an organic wavy line, like hills and valleys. Or maybe a curved C, a letter M. Now with the curvy lines, you can create spirals, center out or out in, little letter E, maybe a little wave there. How about some zigzag lines up and down, maybe a little slanted, like grass or a mohawk. We can also slant our zigzag lines into ocean waves or shark tooth-like. Here's a patterned line where you repeat an element several times and create a pattern, maybe for a border. And if you have no particular pattern, you can just do a random line. And here is a thick to thin. Varies with the width of the line. And with that, you can create a beautiful artwork simply made of lines.